definitely made it a little bit harder, but we stuck with it. We fought very hard as a team, and we overcame the pressure that came after the sending off. And yeah, happy with the point. Said outside was long overdue. Been fighting to break this bond, and eventually it did. I'm very happy. It came like a lobbed pass in there. I was quite confident when I saw the cross and thought, this is mine. And yeah, hopefully there are more to come. Yeah, I think both knocked us a bit and gave them a little bit of confidence. Obviously, you can't play 90 minutes like we did in the first 10, so it's natural. It's only natural that we have to take a gear out eventually, and then recover and then go again later. But it came with a goal, yeah, right. But it was important to us that we kept the game close, and eventually we would get our chance.
No lo olvides, hay muchos más videos en nuestro canal de YouTube de Telemundo Deportes. Suscríbete aquí.